Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring a truly captivating instrument designed to enhance your spiritual and meditative journey. The ENERGYSOUND Pink Color Handle Clear G #Zeal Chakra Pattern Quartz Crystal Singing Bowl, specifically the 6-inch model. This isn't just a beautiful object, it's a meticulously crafted tool for profound resonance and healing. Visually, this bowl is a standout. It features a clear quartz body that beautifully refracts light, complemented by a distinctive pink handle, adding elegance. The Zeal chakra pattern etched onto the bowl is both decorative and symbolic, hinting at its purpose in energy work. Unlike some bowls, this one possesses a bright, inviting glow, making it a gorgeous addition to any space. The true magic of this ENERGYSOUND bowl lies in its sound. Crafted from high-purity crystal, exceeding 99.99%, the sound it produces is utterly mesmerizing. When played, it emits a clear, sustained tone that resonates deeply. The G note, precisely tuned, is accurate and consistent, crucial for practitioners. The lasting quality of the sound allows its healing vibrations to linger, filling the room with tranquility. ENERGYSOUND, as a brand, prides itself on direct factory operation, ensuring superior quality and excellent value. They offer a wide array of crystal singing bowls, including frosted and clear options, chakra tune sets, and pyramids. Customization for color, size, tone, and HZ is also available, catering to individual preferences. Playing this crystal singing bowl is an intuitive and deeply rewarding experience. It begins with clearing your mind and setting positive intentions. The bowl comes with a rubber ring for a flat, sturdy surface. Those smaller bowls like this 6-inch model can also be comfortably held. To create sound, simply lightly tap the outside rim and then gently guide the provided striker around the outer edge. The resulting vibrations are immediate and deeply enveloping. The applications for this ENERGYSOUND crystal singing bowl are incredibly diverse. It's highly recommended by yoga instructors, meditation enthusiasts, and health practitioners. The powerful vibrations are known to offer numerous benefits, such as reducing stress, aiding in combating depression, and assisting in balancing the body's chakras. It's an ideal tool for realigning energy for healing, enhancing feng shui, enriching musical performances, deepening meditation, and facilitating spiritual workshops. ENERGYSOUND backs its products with a guarantee against any damage or missing items during transit, providing complete peace of mind. This commitment, combined with the bowl's inherent beauty and profound healing capabilities, makes it an exceptional and truly invaluable asset to any environment. It's a beautiful instrument that glows with light and offers a gorgeous presence in any home or practice space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.